Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you are getting a script error invalid argument pop-up when trying to open or sign in to Microsoft Teams, it usually points to a corrupted application cache or a broken WebView 2 rendering component. I will show you exactly how to clear this out and fix the interface issue right now. Let's get started. First, we need to clear the temporary data and cache for the Teams application, which often fixes script-related rendering glitches. Press your Windows key, type Installed Apps, and hit Enter to open your system settings. Scroll down or search for Microsoft Teams in the list, click the three dots next to it, and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section and click Repair, then click Reset to completely flush the app data. Keep in mind that if you are still using the older classic version of Teams, this menu might not clear everything, and you would instead need to press the Windows key and the R keys at the same time to manually delete the contents of the %appdata%\Microsoft\Teams folder. Next, because modern Microsoft Teams relies heavily on the Microsoft Edge WebView 2 runtime to display its interface, repairing this core component can often resolve underlying script and rendering errors. Go back to your Installed Apps menu and search for WebView 2. Click the three dots next to Microsoft Edge WebView 2 Runtime and select Modify. When the Microsoft Setup window appears, click Repair and let Windows reinstall the necessary framework files. This is a very safe background process, but make sure your computer is connected to the internet, as the installer will need to fetch fresh, uncorrupted files directly from Microsoft. Finally, you must ensure that no lingering Teams processes are stuck running in the background before you try to open the application again. Right-click on an empty space on your Windows taskbar and open the Task Manager. Look through the Processes tab for anything named Microsoft Teams or Teams, right-click those specific entries and select End Task to force them to close. Once you have verified that the software is completely shut down, relaunch Microsoft Teams from your Start menu and sign back in. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.